Hello, in this video I will show you how you can reverse the data in a column from bottom to top in Excel with formula. For example, you can see that this is the column and here I have some fruits name. So if you want to reverse the fruits name, I mean to say that if you want to fig on the top of the list and then the coconut and then beer berries and simultaneously you want to put the apple on the bottom of the list. So this is very easy. So for this you need to do that, put the is equal to and use the index functions and then open the parenthesis or bracket and then select the array. You need to select the array and then before I you need to put the dollar signs and then after I you need to again put the dollar signs and here you need to again put the dollar signs and before 25 you need to put the dollar signs again and then comma and use the rows functions and then again open the parenthesis or bracket and select the array. Here is the array and again you need to put the dollar signs before I and then after I and then close the bracket and then close the formula, and this is the formula you need to write here and then press the enter and here you can see that the fig is on the top of the list and through fill handle you can drag it to the bottom of the list and here you can see that apple is on the bottom of the list and fig is on the top of the list and then coconut and beer berries and strawberry. So in this way, with this formula you can easily reverse the data in a column from bottom to top in Excel with formula. So I hope this video is helpful to you. If you think the video is helpful, please support my channel and also comment, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.